Well, new this afternoon, the city of San Marcos cannot enforce a marijuana decriminalization ordinance after a new ruling from a state appeals court. 81% of San Marcos voters approved a ballot measure to decriminalize low-level marijuana offenses in 2022. The Texas Attorney General's office sued, saying that ordinance goes against state law. Last summer, the lawsuit was dismissed, but the state appealed, and this week, justices sided with the state, reviving the lawsuit. So that means the city cannot enforce its ordinance. City leaders plan to meet in the coming weeks to discuss how to move forward. Meanwhile, the advocacy group Ground Game Texas helped lead the charge to get decriminalization measures put on the ballot, and it's led similar efforts in other Texas cities. In response to the appeals court's ruling, Ground Game leaders sent KVUE a statement saying the ruling goes against the will of the voters and, quote, "This ruling is proof that the state isn't working to make communities safer. It's working to crush people-powered movement. This playbook is as old as Jim Crow. Democracy requires action and vigilance against oppression, and we will continue to fight this," end quote. Now, the ruling comes as state lawmakers are looking to ban all consumable hemp products with THC. That's the chemical in marijuana that can get someone high. Senate Bill 3 would crack down on things like THC drinks and gummies. Under the proposal, adults could still buy CBD and CBG products, and it would not affect the state's compassionate use medical cannabis program. During the most recent discussion on the bill in the House Committee on State Affairs, supporters said SB 3 will help stop the proliferation of strong and unregulated forms of THC, while opponents say a ban could affect products that so many people use to deal with conditions like PTSD and chronic pain.
Senate Bill 3 places lives and the welfare of Texas families ahead of ill-gotten state revenue. Senate Bill 3 will keep Texans safe and healthy.
SB 3 will push veterans like me back to opioids, back to addiction, and for some, back to the brink.
SB 3 was left pending in committee, so House lawmakers will have to decide if they will send that bill to the full House for a vote.